Hey, it's your Geli Mamma here, and today I am working with the fabulous Kiki London to bring you this sailor inspired nail art. So I'm actually going to be using the same three colours that I used with last week's video with the Avengers Endgame design. If you've not seen it, I will leave a link. It's normally in an iCard at the top of the screen for you to go and check out. So the first thing that I'm going to do is kind of like mark out the anchor. I do find like placing dots on the nail kind of helps me, you know, especially from drawing straight lines. You've just got a rough guide there to work with, as opposed to just completely, you know, kind of doing it in the dark sort of thing. So I'm making basically like a T shape, and then I'm going to bring this in but at a slightly curved angle for the bottom of the anchor, like so, and then I'm just sort of gonna neaten everything out. And then I am going to I'm going to be trying to do like a triangle shape on the top of here, just to add a little bit more of the anchor detail. And before I pop it in the lamp, I just wanted to make it a little bit bigger here on the top, just so I've got something to work with, so then I can come in with the white and it gives that kind of like a see-through effect. Well, hopefully it does anyway. So the next thing that I'm going to be doing is the straight lines. Again, I am using dots and I'm measuring it and sort of lining it up as best as I can, going from one side of the nail to the next. Again, just as a rough guide to know where to sort of, you know, direct the brush to. And then I've got a striper brush and I'm just like dragging it across the nail as best as I can, and then obviously making sure it's all completely, you know, going to the end of the nail. It's a great way for you to practice doing straight lines. You know, putting the dots there doesn't mean it's going to be instantly perfectly straight just because you're waving the brush across, but it definitely helps you kind of roughly see what you're trying to achieve. And like I say, once you've got like the rough outline, you can kind of come back in and neaten it up and thicken it out, and, you know, make it as even as possible. And then once you're happy, you can pop that into the lamp and cure it. And then I'm coming in with the red and a small dotting tool, and I'm basically just making one little heart there, which I just thought was super cute. I did go ahead and do this 2 times just to make sure that the red was sort of more opaque over the blue stripes. And then I'm going to be using a colour from their Platinum range. It's a gorgeous collection. Again, I have swatched it if you want to check that out. And this is Golden Lab. Basically, I'm just taking a large dotting tool and putting, like, obviously just dots down the side of the nail. I was only going to do 3, and then I decided it didn't look right, and I came back in and added it on the top. And then basically on the pinky finger, I did exactly the same, but I just did it opposite, on the opposite side. And that is your mani complete, other than you need to seal it all in with your top coat. I'm using obviously Kiki London's No Wipe top coat. So you just want to make sure that it's nice and thin and even. Seal that free edging by rubbing the brush across the free edge of your nail. Obviously, if you get anything on your skin, make sure you remove it with some isopropyl alcohol and a cleanup brush before you put it into the lamp to avoid any lifting or chipping. And that is it. Your mani is done. I think it is super cute. It's I love it, the nautical side to it, and it's simple as well, but it looks like you have some nail art skills to pull this off. So I really hope that you like it, Jelly Babes. If you do decide to recreate it, me and Kiki London would love to see that on our Instagrams. Kiki London's details are on screen, and you can reach me on Instagram at Gelulicious. So thank you so much for watching. Please press that free subscribe button so you never miss another video. Give us a thumbs up, and I always love to read your comments. So until next time, bye.